Hey guys, it's Kim Crumpus from the Price Action Traders Institute, and I'm about to take a look at the Australian retail sales number to see if there's a tradable opportunity on the Australian USD or the Australian yen. Let's go ahead and look out at the charts. All right, I am ready to get into this move right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the Australian yen. Same thing. I'm going to go ahead and execute a buy order. And let me go ahead and put those stops in really quickly here. This one will have a 12 pip stop, and the Australian dollar will have a 10 pip stop right down here. Right, so I'm going to go ahead also and place my targets in. I'm looking for this pair to possibly run up to here to 7,100. And then on the Australian yen, I will look for 7,900. So both of them at big round numbers. Let's see what they do, see if they actually make a run up there, and I'll be back with an update. All right, so we're about 5 minutes into the news event, and you can see that prices pushing up pretty nicely here on the Australian dollar. And I'm currently long from 76. So if this hits at the 7,100 number, that'll be about 24 pips. And let's take a look at the AJ, the Australian yen. And that one, I am long from 73. And so if that one hits at 79.00, that will be, 27 pips on this trade. And it's pushing a little bit nicer than the Australian dollar. And I will come back with any updates. Since I want to go ahead and minimize my risk and hold on to the profits that I made during the New York session, I've gone ahead and moved up my stops to lock in. So on this one, I moved it up to lock in +4, and that you can see is on this red line right here. And again, I am targeting up here at 7,100, looking for this to push. We still have about 6 minutes remaining on the news candle. We'll see what it does. Let's jump over to the AJ because I've also moved my stop on this one, and I've locked in +6 on this one. And that is on this red line right here at the 78.80 figure. And again, on this one, I am targeting up here at 7,900. So total, I have about 10 pips locked. That will cover my costs and give me just a little bit of a bump to today's New York session trading. Let's go ahead and see what happens. All right, so the AJ hit its target and has been closed for +26. Let's jump over to the Australian USD. And this one is on approach. I'm going to go ahead and yank this stop up just to lock in 12 pips right now, as price comes up and hopefully we'll hit this 7,100 area. Maybe I'll let it go here for a minute. We still have about 3 minutes, just under 3 minutes remaining on this candle. And again, I've moved this stop up to lock in, I've locked in 13 pips. And that is right here. And we're targeting up here. And if this hits, it will close out with +23. So let's give it another few seconds. It looks like it's pushing pretty nicely. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. 99, getting closer. Come on, bing, bing, bing. Not quite yet, pulling back a bit. Got up as 99.5, just about half a pip shy of that target. So instances like this, let me just quickly jump over to the AJ, see what it's doing. Also pulling back a little bit, but still pushing. Let's go ahead and watch that. It's still pushing. Nice push. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to give it not too much time. Let's see if it just pops up there. I'll be back with an update. Okay, so the news candle just closed and price is still hanging in there. It sucked back and I thought it was going to hit my protective stop, but it didn't. And we're about 10 seconds into this candle, 20 seconds in. And I, again, am waiting for price to come up and hit my target up here at 7,100. Like to see it do it. Otherwise, I might pull this trade. I want to take a look at the AJ. It's sucking back. So I think what I'm going to do is take 15 pips here. I just closed that trade for 15 pips. So let's come back and do a quick summary. So that trading, simple to do, news trading strategy, very simple. Watch the spread, watch the price fluctuation, and both of those trades gave me a total of plus 41 pips, 26 on the AJ, and 15 punching out on the Australian dollar. And this is something that we do every day in the Price Action Traders Institute. I teach you this method of trading red news. And if you can follow a few instructions and keep your eye on what's important, when a news release comes out, this can be very simple to accomplish. All right. If you have any questions, please come to our website at priceactiontradersinstitute.com and check out our blog and check out our videos. We have some other training videos on there. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to submit them. All right. Thanks for listening. Have a great evening or day. And I'm Kim Crumpus again from the Price Action Traders Institute. Thanks for listening.